Okay. Surprise, surprise. It's an absolute disgrace again. I hope there's not two streams running at the same time, but obviously it would not surprise me in the slightest if there are, because what are we dealing with? We're dealing with stupid technology. Right, so I stopped that at 25:43, so I'll have to add that on to whatever comes at the end. So just remember that 25 to add 25:43 to whatever time is on there in the end. So hopefully people will start migrating over from the other stream that no longer works because YouTube is stupid. Yep, it is working temporarily. It could stop working at any moment. So enjoy it while you can. Chat while you can. Say hello. Discuss random things. I can hardly sponsoring comments on them, but it's just weird, isn't it? Why? Could you do BigCube stream after this? I don't know. I need to think if I'm going to do any streaming, I need to sort stuff out. I mean, I watch stuff like CubeCast from speedcube.co.nz, and it's like far better. It actually works every time. It seems to, at least. I know I don't actually watch it live because it's like at 10:30 p.m. for me in the UK, but everything seems to work from what I see of it. Let's Cube, BigCube. I mean, I've never used stuff like Let's Cube, so I have no idea how it works. Let's Cube only goes to 7x7. Yeah, I mean, I think the thing is, I want to set up cubing clubs and things. I don't really think there's much in like online cubing groups and things like that. Like, I want to, if I'm going to do any cubing with other people, I want to have an actual cubing club, cubing group, where I can actually see people. But, I mean, if you want to do a Let's Cube at the same time as this stream with people in the chat, then I'm not going to stop people. But okay, right, what colour do I solve now? Let's go with yellow in the middle. The yellow bar is easiest. Yellow middle bar. Should all be available now, shouldn't it? Okay, that's the first bar, yellow bar done. So now we need the 6 kilo bar. And then you can go to 13 by 13. Okay. So yes, just a reminder to everybody that's come, I had to restart that timer. Oh, you can't even see that timer anyway. But add 25 minutes to it at the end, assuming nothing else happens, which is highly unlikely, to be honest. So, yeah. Yeah, 12 takes too long, but anything that works for you. Probably won't have time to stream until 8 UTC. Right. Maybe I will be done long before 8 PM UTC. Presume. UTC 1 hour behind PS2? I think so. Right. Now, I would have sold 3s. Should have sold the 4s, shouldn't I? Oh well. It's not a major deal, really, but just slightly inefficient. Well, I don't actually even know if it's slightly inefficient. It might be perfect. Please. Okay, that is that done. Can an 8-year-old do 11 by 11 or 9 by 9? Well, it's probably possible, isn't it? So, I'd just advise that we just don't give them ideas. I quite like having unofficial national records for a bunch of big cubes. Rather, they didn't get beaten by some kid with loads of time on his hands because all he has to do is go to school and nothing else. But if you want to beat my 9 by 9 national record of 6:45, then go ahead. I recommend that you buy the non-bullcore version of the Diansheng Galaxy 9 by 9. of speedcubing.org, and then yeah. I don't have a 21 by 21, so I can't do a 21 by 21 stream. What has this become? I don't have a 21 by 21. I did sell one once to someone, though. 6, 6. Yeah, I genuinely can't count, can I? No, not really 5. Could be 6 on that side, but that doesn't. No, so that's 5 on that side as well. I do need a 6 here. Your dad got you a 21 by 21 for your light. Perfect. Yep. This kid in Scotland got a 21 by 21 for his for Christmas last year off me. So what's going on? I'm actually very confused. Nothing seems to be working here. No, it's fine. Wait a minute, that's 7. Oh, I can't even do 7 whatsoever. Right, okay, let's work on 5s just right now. And then I can work on 6s later. Because I've just been working on 7s by accident. And that's going to work on 4s. I'm going to work on 6s. That is actually 6s. Yes. No. Right, finally. You'll get a 19 by 19. Good. Right, we're finally getting close to solving the yellow. I think so. What's over here? Oh no. No. It's not even a pop. It's just layer misalignment. Some pieces have gone over. Ah! It's not even an actual pop. It's just pieces. Right, okay. That is fine now. The 8-year-old made a pattern. By the way, why are you speaking in like weird English? Obviously, why aren't you spelling normally? You're in a challenge of solving your whole collection, which consists of 4 2x2s. Right, well, may I recommend that you buy this thing. Oh, okay, you've got more. Okay, you've got more. 4 2x2, 7 3x3s, 5 4x4s, and 2 killing. Right. Okay, may I suggest that you buy a 5x5, a 6x6, and a 7x7, and a Scube, and a Megaminx, and a what else? Clock. Okay, there we go. That is solved. Right. That is the yellow center done. And it took about 45 minutes, which is far longer than I expected. I do hope this doesn't take forever. Okay. Should be getting easier from here, but don't know. Oh, +3 Megaminxes. Well done for using correct terminology. I wonder how well that can catch on. Is it even possible to convince enough people? +2 10x10s, 2 11x11s, 2 12x12s. That's a decent collection then. Okay, that's that bar done. It's 2 10. Okay, that's a decent collection then. I have similar stuff, just a lot of WCA event stuff. A lot more. Essentially every relevant cube for those events. Right. Someone's back. Another one. Level 4. Can't see it at all. That was right there. You have a stopwatch running for 7,297 hours. I hear about people doing silly stuff like that. Right, so it's coming up to 25 minutes. So if the stream doesn't crash, then that's a good sign. Because it crashed at 25 minutes last time. Should you let your dad scramble 21 by 21? Absolutely. I think it's very strange that that Scottish kid hasn't had his 21 by 21 scrambled yet, as far as I know. Maybe he has in the last few weeks. I don't know. I mean, it's all very well and nice. Oh, it's just a nice decoration. But come on, you don't do a solve by 21 by 21 if you've got one. Just like I've got to do a solve on a 15 by 15 if I've got one. I'm not sure I really want to do this regularly, but if something new, Dancing release a 16 by 16, then maybe I'll have to. Just a shame they just went straight to 15 by 15 and never released a 14 by 14 though. Because it's like, if they haven't released a 14 by 14 now, they probably won't, sadly. Just being realistic there. Well, certainly not for a long time. And then it kind of becomes, well, what's the point? At some point. Then I'll scramble it. Can you spell normally, please? Anyone got PB with triple parity? Maybe at some point. I'm guessing I'm going to get some quite significant parities on this. And this will be a 15 by 15 PB when I've finished, won't it? So a lot of people's guesses have proven too quick, unfortunately. Now, all the 45-minute guesses. Okay. Double parity. I get a PB with double parity on a 4x4. Regripless RA perm, I'm pretty sure I do. And normal 3x3. You know what an RA perm is? Like, what is this deliberately incorrect spelling? Everything. What's going on in my chat? How long have I been going for? Just under an hour in total. Way too long. Obviously, any guesses placed on my original Instagram or YouTube shorts while I'm doing this solve do not count, just in case anybody has any ideas to edit their guesses. I've done a mathematical estimate about the time it would take to solve my collection. 1 day, 4 hours and 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm long past even thinking about that with my collection. I mean, obviously, what is my collection is debatable because there are some cubes I have in stock that I don't actually have a sample out, but it varies a lot. Why are you just asking about regroup bizarre APERT? Setting sound test video to do big cubes, and then to stick on 2x2 impediments. Oh, well, yes, obviously big cubes are like quieter. That's what you care about, but obviously I did a lot of big cubes for a long time, back in 2019, but I've kind of stopped practicing big cubes that much. And now I'm just debating whether it's really possible to get world qualification for anything, because I mean the two ones I'm even really close, remotely close to are like 7x7 and 3x3 right now. Obviously that's wave 1. The world's qualification is in waves, and it would be quite nice to just be in wave 1 and then not have to worry so much. Wait a minute, just solved bar 6. Okay, I'm going to solve bar 5 now. Yeah, I'm just going to solve bar 5 now. And bar 4. Bar 3. Okay, I guess everything's gone a bit quiet recently, and I'm just going to focus on finishing this off. So, join 4x4, all the big ones. Okay, so now it's a case of assembling these. Just one more bar the normal way. I'm going to be able to. Okay, now it's on the commutators. Just a case of Right, finally, the centers are done. Now on to the bit that should be a whole lot faster. Obviously, the difference between center and edge times on big cubes should get exponentially lower. The ratio between time spent on centers and edges. Right, it's really starting to come together now. I know AP has some special technique for the last 4 edges, but I'm not going to attempt that right now. Oh, 6 viewers now. Maybe people think, oh, well, it's getting close to being done, so I should watch it. Okay, well, hello everyone. I am almost done with my 15 by 15 solve. It has taken quite a bit longer than I hoped it would, but to be fair, that's kind of, I was probably a bit over optimistic with how long I thought it would take, personally. Let's do that. And then idea. Yep. Hopefully lots of people have seen me at competitions. I've been to a lot of them. I think 78 I saw on my WCA profile recently. Right. Okay, so I've got multiple parateens. Yeah, obviously I'm too scared to do 2 paratees at the same time. You'd better not be changing your guesses. That is cheating. Right, so obviously that's 103.04, but we need to add 2543.553 to that because of the original failed stream. So that is 1 hour 28 minutes and 48 seconds. Right, so let's try and find out who won. So I put it on, I didn't get any comments with an actual time on TikTok. Maybe I shouldn't bother being on TikTok, I don't know. But let's have a look. So 1 hour, 28 minutes and 48 seconds. Who got the closest? Closest so far, 1 hour 40. Let's see, 1 hour 13. No, 1 hour 40 is slightly closer. 1 hour 23. That is currently the closest. 1 hour 23. Okay. Oh, 1 hour 28 minutes and 32 seconds from Ollie B0304. That is probably going to be the closest. But let's just double check by going onto YouTube. He is only 16 seconds away, so that sounds pretty close. Okay, let's try and rotate this. What is that? Auto rotate off. So let's go onto my shorts and have a look.
This is the Diane Cheng 15 by 15. It is the largest magnetic speed cube on the market.
Okay, 1 hour 26. No, that's not close enough now. 1 hour 35. No. 1 hour 26 again. You should really be more specific. I'd recommend at least giving some seconds. But the winner is Ollie B. Ollie B. Where is he? Ollie B0304. Right. Congratulations. You have won. And we'll see if I get a response from him. Message. Nearest closest to my 15 by 15. Where do you want? There we go. Right, so thank you everyone who's actually watched this. I'm not entirely sure what's going to be done now. I might try and edit something into a time lapse or something, but I'm not sure. Everything's just been so messed up this time, and I don't know if I can be bothered to stream much more. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and yeah.